I received a comment about how a request to how to create your own search engine by using maybe multiple website only or customize it to one website or even the entire web. You can do that in this tool. Simply, it's very easy way to do it. Go to the programmable search engine by Google. Just hit get started. Here you can create one engine to whatever engine search engine you want to add it to your Google website. So you add website, you just name it any name. Here where the request is, you can add website, one website, two, three, whatever you want, specific website to search, or they have the entire web to search. So we can just add the website specifically here. After that, you can have search settings of image search or safe search in case if you want. But some word can lead you to website that you don't want the visitor to visit, then create your search engine. You get the code directly here. You just copy it, go to your website and set the embed code. And this is your search engine. Place it in your website, the size you wanted. Place any page you want. Then you get publish. Now, if you visited your website, live website, you can see the search engine it has by Google, of course. Let's say you want to search something here. And the results come here from YouTube, from Microsoft. In case of some website also having that information, it will come from there if you include it in the search engine settings. Of course, you can go back to your search engine, and here you can add all these descriptions, name, you can amend it. This is only for your reference. In case if you have multiple search engines, you can get the code again from here and use the search features, which is image search or safe search or search again the entire web in case if you decide to change the settings from here. And this is a website we have included. You can delete and you add another one if you want. You can extrude the website and even say change the language, or even if you want to add some owners to this search engine. So this is how you do the search engine on your website. Very simple way, easy, which is done or enhanced or used by Google themselves. If you have any more queries or questions, let me know in the comment below. And thank you for watching. Peace.